Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a vlog. I'm going tomorrow morning to Copenhagen. I'm going to meet a friend and also I'm going on a special event and I can't wait to bring you guys with me and show you everything. I'm also going to shop a little bit in Copenhagen, so hopefully I will score some things that I have wanted for a long time. This is my first time in Copenhagen, so I can't wait to go there, and I have heard it is very beautiful and it is a step up from Oslo where I usually shop because we don't have that many luxury stores in Oslo. I'm really looking forward to finally go into a Chanel store in 2 years now, and I'm also looking forward to try on some Cartier jewelry. So now I'm sitting on the floor and packing. I'm only going for 3 days, so I won't bring that much with me. But of course I'm going to bring with me my Birkin and also some new items in my collection. I'm leaving very early in the morning, so the next time you will see me is in Copenhagen. So just follow along and I will try to vlog as much as I can. See you tomorrow. Hello from Copenhagen. Now I'm off to the event. I'm wearing my Frankie shop blazer, my Jerv Avenue pants and my Birkin, and of course my beloved Dior sneakers and my new Dior sunglasses. So let's go to the event. home again after the event, and I'm just going to do a quick touch-up and change my outfit. So here's the second outfit for the day. I'm still wearing my Jerv Avenue pants. I have changed up my shoes to my new day sneakers in rose gold, and I have changed out the blazer with just a basic black linen shirt. So yeah, let's go and eat dinner.